Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Shreya Ankush, the student of DIMS. So in today's session, let us have the discussion on switch statement in C. So basically, what is switch statement? The switch statement is used when we have to perform any task on the basis of various values of any variable or expression against a list of case values. And when a match is found, a block of statement associated with that case is executed. So let's see the syntax for the switch statement. Here the switch is a reserved word or keyword in C. Here switch is having multiple results, so that based upon that condition the corresponding case values are executed. This is expression or condition. Here we have to pass any condition or any expression as an argument to the switch case. So based upon these results, corresponding case will be executed. This case is also reserved in C. Value 1, value 2 up to value n are called class labels, and these labels can be any constant value. So first we have to consider this expression, and these cases are the possible results of given expression. This break statement is also keyword in C, and the name itself says that the control will automatically move out from the switch statement. And this break is terminate the program, terminate this block, and the control will automatically move out from this switch case. The default is also a keyword, and which is optional case in C. So let's see some rules about switch. The switch expression must be an integer. Case label must be unique. Case label must be a constant or constant expression. The break statement transfers the control out of the switch statement. The default label is optional. It can be placed anywhere inside the switch, means it can be at starting or middle or at ending. But when all the cases are checked, then and then only the default is executed. Let's see some examples. Here the example is to write a program to make a simple calculator by using switch statement. Here we use variables as a, b, result or op. ab for the input function, and result is used to print an output. op is used to store the operator. Here we use scanf function because we are taking input from the user. Then if I want to add two numbers, then this block is executed, and because of this break statement, the control will automatically move out from the switch statement and the result is print. Similarly, we can do subtraction, multiplication, and division by using the switch case statement. So let's see the output. Here it will ask for the enter an expression. I have added two numbers. Then it will print the result. In this way we are subtract, multiply or divide the numbers. So let's see another example. Here the example is nested switch. In C we can have an inner switch embedded in outer switch. In this given program we have initialized two variables, ID and password, and use scanf function for input because we are taking input from the user. Here an outer switch construct is used to compare value entered in this variable ID. It executes the block of statement associated with this case ID equals to 500. After this execution, the inner switch is used to compare the value entered in the variable password and execute the statement linked with the password equals to 000. And if these both conditions are executed, then it will print the name of the user. That is, here we are written welcome dear programmer. And if this password or ID is incorrect, the switch case will triggers the default case and print appropriate text regarding the program outlines. Here we use incorrect password or incorrect ID. Let's see the output of this program. Here it will be asking for please enter your ID. Here we write 500 and this ID is correct. That's why it is asking for enter your password. This password is also correct. That's why it is written the user's name. If the password or ID is incorrect, it will print incorrect password or incorrect ID. I hope you understood this program. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel.